my Steam Deck needs a stand. Specifically from when I'm using it in desktop mode, and using a mouse and keyboard is just more convenient. I wanted to 3D print one and find something that's compact and foldable, and found this perfect one in Thingiverse. After printing it out and putting it together, I figured out that I'm supposed to be using some wooden dowels to hold everything together. And instead of running out to buying them, I just measured it out, went in Fusion 360, made my own rods to put in, and they worked perfectly fine. The only problem I was running into was the rods were coming a bit loose after putting them in, so I just took my soldering iron, melted the ends to keep them all in place. The dock is all assembled, working perfectly fine, and now my life using Steam Deck on desktop mode is just oh so smoother. Cheers, my friends.